Have you ever walked into a room and felt invisible? Or maybe you've struggled to make people take you seriously. Respect isn't something you demand. It's something you earn. But how? What are the secrets to commanding respect in every room, every conversation, and every relationship? Stay with us as we uncover the powerful techniques to help you earn respect everywhere you go. So let's go and move to our topic. The foundation of respect. Respect starts with how you carry yourself, how you treat others, and the energy you bring into a space. It's not about arrogance, it's about confidence, integrity, and self-awareness. 1. Confidence, without arrogance. People respect those who believe in themselves. Walk with purpose, maintain eye contact, and speak with clarity. But remember, confidence isn't arrogance. It's about believing in yourself while lifting others up. 2. Keep your word. Integrity is non-negotiable. If you say you'll do something, follow through. Being reliable makes people trust you, and trust leads to respect. 3. Listen more than you speak. One of the quickest ways to gain respect is to listen. When people feel heard, they naturally respect the person who gives them that space. Active listening shows wisdom and emotional intelligence. 4. Speak with purpose. Don't just talk for the sake of talking. Whether in a meeting or a casual conversation, make sure your words add value. People respect those who speak with intention. 5. Respect yourself, or sir. You teach others how to treat you by how you treat yourself. Set boundaries. Don't tolerate disrespect, and always hold yourself to high standards. How to command respect in different environments. 1. At work. Be professional and punctual. Take responsibility for mistakes. Show appreciation for colleagues. 2. In social circles. Be a person of value, not just presence. Give compliments genuinely. Avoid gossip and negativity. 3. In leadership. Lead by example, not by force. Empower others instead of controlling them. Stay calm under pressure. The psychological triggers of respect. Respect isn't just about actions, it's about psychology. Understanding what influences people's perceptions can help you build a powerful presence. The power of body language. Stand tall, maintain open posture, and use controlled gestures. Silence is power. You don't have to respond to everything instantly. Sometimes pausing before speaking commands more respect. Dress the part. People judge based on appearance. Dressing well enhances credibility and confidence. So friends, now I will tell you that mistakes that destroy. Respect. 1. Over-apologizing. Saying sorry too often weakens your authority. Apologize when necessary, but don't make it a habit. 2. Being too agreeable. You don't have to agree with everyone to be liked. Stand your ground and express your opinions respectfully. 3. Seeking validation. Constantly. Confidence comes from within. If you always seek approval, people won't take you seriously. Now that you have the keys to earning respect, it's time to apply them. Confidence, integrity, and self-respect are your greatest tools. Start making small changes today and watch how people respond differently to you. If this video added value to your life, subscribe to Ascend with KHABII for more insights on personal growth and success. Remember, respect isn't demanded, it's earned. Thank you for watching. Take care a lot yourself. Bye.